from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today we're going to make a no-bake dessert that's actually probably one of my favorite things, tiramisu. It's not hard to put together, it's no-bake, and it's absolutely delicious. And it's a lighter dessert, so it's not heavy. So, let's get to it. So you'll need Lady Fingers for this, heavy whipping cream, Kahlua, sugar, mascarpone cream, vanilla, and some cocoa powder. So what we're going to do next is 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. We're going to start whipping that and slowly adding the sugar and vanilla until it is stiff peaks. And there you go. See, it's nice and stiff, peaks. Now I'm going to add my mascarpone cheese to the whipped cream and we'll fold that in. And there you can see it's folded in. You can tell the difference in the color of the mascarpone cream and the whipped cream so that you can see when it's incorporated well. Now to dip our lady fingers. Now the next part we're going to add the Kahlua, and something I forgot to put in the original part, we need some espresso. So I actually have instant espresso to make 1.5 cups because we're going to mix that with the Kahlua to dip our lady fingers in. So got to have the coffee. I'm combining 1.5 cups of the espresso coffee and our Kahlua. Now you don't have to use Kahlua, but I'm here to tell you that it gives it much more depth of flavor if you do. So this next part, we're going to dip our lady fingers. Don't soak them, these are really light, so you're just going to dip and put in. I have a 8x8, it's actually a Pampered Chef Brilliance Collection baking pan, but you don't need to, like I said, bake this. This is really nice because it's a no-bake dessert that always comes out amazing. Okay, then we're just going to put on a layer of our whipped cream mixture. Like that. And now we're going to do it again. And we'll put the rest of our cream on top. Oops. Now, if you want to save it for later, you can even freeze this. Just put parchment paper on top and a cover, put it in the freezer. So I'm going to dust it with a little dusting of cocoa powder. And that's it. These are really handy if you don't have these It's just a shaker, but I use it for my powdered sugar and everything. Really handy. So, I'll finish chilling it, and then you know what comes next. Here it is. Yumminess. Like I said, this is such an easy dessert. It's cool, it's refreshing, it's light, it's not heavy. It's so good. So, that's an easy, no-bake dessert. It's a hit all the time. One of my absolute favorites. So give it a try. Tiramisu, easy, no bake.